Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes using Cash App. To begin, open the Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the Taxes section. Cash App Taxes provides a completely free way to file both your federal and state returns, regardless of your income or tax situation. You can even import your W-2 form to streamline the process. This service aims to make tax filing accessible and straightforward for many users. Before you start, it's crucial to gather all your necessary tax documents. This includes income statements like your Form W-2 from employers and any Form 1099 for other income sources, such as freelance work or investments. Also, compile records for any deductions or credits you intend to claim. Having these documents ready will ensure a smooth and accurate filing experience. Once your documents are ready, Cash App Taxes will guide you through a series of questions to input your financial information. Take your time to accurately enter all details, including income, deductions, and credits. After completing all sections, thoroughly review your entire return for any errors. When you're confident everything is correct, you can electronically sign and submit both your federal and state tax returns directly through the app. After successfully filing, you can easily track the status of your federal and state refunds within the Cash App. If you have any questions or encounter issues, Cash App Taxes offers support through in-app assistance, their online tax center, or email. Remember to save copies of your filed returns for your records. Cash App also provides free audit defense for qualified filers, offering peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.